So I'm going to show you three pattern of the blending. First, I'm going to show you radiant or gradient fill. Already last week I showed you uniform fill, which is just one color. That's why I brought the assignment. Then so today I'm going to be mixing more than two colors and showing you other ones which you can go that will take us to our tax bar, or you can go to your status bar on your Corel Draw, or you will go to your field. Go to your field, go to your field. But let's start with the status bar. So I'll double tap on my status bar. Then I will see your uniform field, you will see your gradient field. So once I tap on my gradient field, a dialog will open for it. So let's start now. You learn to play around. That's graphic design. That's design. Design. You learn to play around the environment till you get what you want. So this place is a node for the colors. Okay. The node for the colors. I want to mix my colors now. Once I tap here now, so I'm going to mix this my blue with the cyan so that it will give me a different color. So once I tap this place, I was showing cross like this will open for me to put another color. So this is my cyan color. Let me convert it to RGB to CMYK. Go to cyan, mix it up, mix it nicely. So this is like this now is so we'll go to the blend transition. Like this now is known as linear. Okay. Linear fountain fill. Then like this is right there, right there. Or for this one now they call it elliptical. But for some programs you will see it right there. Okay. If it is Photoshop, you will see right there. If it is Microsoft Word, you will see right there. Okay. But here they call it elliptical fountain fill. So elliptical fountain means that it will be round. The colors will be round. Something like this. To be round. So maybe I can change this color like this one now to blue cyan. Then change this other side. But it doesn't make any sense. So let's go with this one. So let me put this side to so this now. So I can go the same thing with this. This one is conical. That means it will look. Let's see how it will look like. So yeah, if I add more than one color here now by tapping this place twice. But for me to add more notes, I tap here now. Tap my color. Tap this other side. Go to this side. Tap. Click another node there. Another color node. Just trying to mix colors. So just allow them. Just playing around it to just see what I can. So see how this one looks like this. Like just how will I put it to? So this one now is rectangle. Yeah. So this one is just like box, 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 box. If I change it now, isn't yes. This is how it will look. So depending on what you want to do, so play around this environment. So I'm going to only show you blend transitions because these ones they're not too necessary. All this skill and this transformation they're not too necessary. Like blend it. We learn interactive field. What is this H for? That is the width, the height. The x what? X is it the angle? The x is the angle. The other side is the side. Is it? side, moving to the side, this side moving up and down. So move up, move down, that's the way. They are not too necessary because you are going to still learn how to manipulate it with this box here, this place.
Okay.
You are still going to learn it. So anything is so it's not too necessary. So let's go back to our idea. We delete this one.
Like what?
This is the radial now. The radial, the electrical now is the cycle.
Okay.
You put it to the electrical, it will go cycle. So I can move it to this place. I can hide it. I can also sharpen the edges. I can also take it this way. I can move it so that the edge will not look sharp. I can move this side to blend it. You just play around with all these things.
Okay.
If I want to blend the color, just move it a bit. Blend it. So I delete it by just double tapping it. Listen. So I can just move this in here based on what I want to design. If I want to increase it, you just want to move. Is this is still the same thing with all this position?
Okay.
You move position and to move. So this for fountain pen. Add more than one colors. To blend them. To blend them. So that's okay. Let's check on that. Remove your outline. Make sure you learn to remove your outline. I'm showing you how to remove your outline.
Mm.
Then let's go back. I want to check on the step 1. Okay, so this is it now. A simple design. Put it before that. Blue and only white. Oh, shift page up. Page up to take your text up. You have to say shift page down. It will just go down. While this one is control page up, it will just be moving one step, one step. If there is another thing here, it will pass that one first before going to the next one. So I'm just going to change for last time. Control K is to break separate your words.
Control K.
So control K, so you put it down. So
You don't catch.
now tracing it. Now.
Okay. Break this.
Yes, control K to break, control Q to convert. Oh, design self. I also told you how to merge your text, how to merge your text with. I don't want this thing. I can also merge my text here. If I say trim now, my informations. So this is something I've learned already. So this is a simple basic design. So I'm going to give you assignment on that. But before we go there, we'll learn another pattern of field first.
Okay.
Then this is for fountain field. So let's go to um the next field which is vector pattern field. So what are these vector pattern field? Yeah, but then we have some vector pattern field. Okay, this text is almost not full text. So let's go to field, go to vector. Okay, once you tap it to show. So I can change my vector based on Iba, Iba, Iba. So let me say okay now. And I'll close it. No, I think I close it. So go to vector, use okay. Will I shadow? Never learn shadow, I just want to show you something. Will I shadow? Then they ask me what let's leave you out. Okay, so this one is just the vector. So but I'm not really going to use this vector. So let me show you another fill again. I'm just showing you how to fill it because
Okay.
we'll be using background to power click and also use Photoshop to build some of our 3D effects and other things. So I'm just showing you how to use them. Then we have these ones too, these bricks. How to get them, how to get them. So yeah, you want to do some jobs, urgent jobs, and you need background like this. See, there is more. So there we are. Okay, we have a lot of them here. But we are going to learn this under, we're going to learn this again under transparency because transparency will show you, will expatiate more on these things.
That's right. I did like the topic.
Yes, transparency is a topic on its own that also carry this pattern feel and all those things. So that's where you will learn how to blend it on a layer, how to put it on top of the background, how to put it on top of the color. So transparency will expand it more for us. Colors, but for now, since we're doing on colors, we'll just go straight to colors and how to blend them. I've shown you yellow background, black. So now we'll be using the interactive field. Learn this one because it's all about colors. The color is not just here. This is just basic of it. When we cross this level, we'll also show you other ways of blending colors. But you guys to know all this first before we go to. So this is interactive field. If you tap your interactive, you find out that at your property bar, that pattern, those fields, pattern, all those vector pattern field, all those and they still came up again. So this time I want to fill two colors. If I tap it now,
Okay.
if I drag it, I tap and drag it to blend to add more than one color. Didn't really go well. So let me see. This thing is applicable to both text, not just to the same thing with um, blue. Mm. You can change it to right there. You can put it right there. You can put it right there. You can change this place. Make this other side black. Then how do I blend it with this? Then I can still come here and do man up. Do your shift. Look at what I'm doing now.
Um,
Until this, nobody should sleep. Go just go through it. Look for a font. Hold on. So you will look at it, you find out that the blue will not work out. So you go with the white.
mhm.
For you to shift your page, you want to shift you want to take you want to break your right up down. I want to bring it down. I want to maybe I want to shift this page. I want this up to be at the downside. Press your enter after tapping on the place where you want to separate them. Tap it. Then control K to break it. Drag it. Shift F4 to see the both of them. Then I group it. I select the both of them rather. Eva, oh, Eva. Then F10. If your system is not drive, like your own is that is not drive, you press your FN first before pressing the
Yeah, that's powerful.
FN. This is FN on the
No,
down.
sorry, my system is not drive.
And you're like, this particular system is not drive now, so you need to hold your FN first before tapping the shortcut. I want my shape tool to come so I can use it to do what I want to do. So my shape tool, use my shape tool to drag the text close. Same thing with this one. To drag it close. So let me look for a better font. This one looks now. So this is how to select your font to match what you want to do. So yeah, now we'll be applying your this thing to it. Let's try to apply something to it. I want to apply my shape tool to this place now. Shaping. Let me apply shaping to here to make it more. So first I'll bring this one. Control K. Then convert the P to shape to curve so that I can edit it. Yeah. So I drag this place down. That's number one. So number two, I bring this two down. Convert my N to curve so that I can manipulate it. Then I drag it. I want to do something technical. So I hold this one too and I trim it off. After trimming it, I move my this thing. Move it, move it, move my this thing too.
Okay.
Better get what I'm doing here. If not, your assignment on the ground. Then, so I use three things there. Number one, I use color.
Okay.
I use gradient. Should I use gradient fill? Let me correct it. Gradient fill. I use shape tool. And um I use transformation. For now, since you're saying any basic part of it, I'll use my box to cut this thing down instead of power clicking because those teach you power click. But so what I will do, I draw a box down and I tap the P and I trim it off. Trim that piece off because if I don't trim it off, it will pass this color. I don't want it to pass that place.
Do you have the water for me?
What's this all about?
Look, tell me water for me.
What's this all about?
And you read this thing, you understand?
Wow.
You have
Is
drink
this
water.
storybook that I read?
Drink water for me.
So these are the three tools for this stuff now.